Self classes spoken English. Present perfect tense. Interrogative 100 sentences. Structure have bata has plus subject plus V superscript 3. चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं या लिया है, ली है, लिए हैं. गया है, गई है, गए हैं, दिया है, दी है, दिए हैं. Have you eaten food? Have you finished your work? Have you seen this movie? Have you done your homework? Have you read this book? Have you watched the news? Have you cleaned your room? Have you called your friend? Have you learned English? Have you understood the lesson? Have I made a mistake? Have I helped you? Have I told the truth? Have I asked the question? Have I completed the task? Has he come here? Has he finished the work? Has he eaten lunch? Has he gone home? Has he started the class? Has she cooked food? Has she done the job? Has she passed the exam? Has she written a letter? Has she cleaned the house? Has it stopped raining? Has it started raining? Has it become dark? Has it broken? Has it worked properly? Have we reached there? Have we completed the project? Have we won the match? Have we learned this tense? Have we made a plan? Have they arrived here? Have they finished their work? Have they seen the teacher? Have they solved the problem? Have they paid the fees? Have you ever been to Delhi? Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Have you ever tried this food? Have you ever spoken English? Have you ever met him? Has he ever visited Mumbai? Has she ever failed the exam? Have they ever played cricket? Have we ever made this mistake? Have I ever told a lie? Have you bought a new phone? Have you opened the door? Have you closed the window? Have you sent the message? Have you received my call? Has he changed his decision? Has she learned driving? Has it improved now? Have we discussed this topic? Have they accepted the offer? Have you completed the course? Have you checked the answer? Have you prepared for the exam? Have you filled the form? Have you submitted the file? Has he explained the rule? Has she forgotten my name? Has it affected you? Have we followed the rules? Have they broken the glass? Have you met the teacher? Have you joined the class? Have you practiced speaking? Have you improved your English? Have you remembered the lesson? Has he repaired the bike? Has she washed the clothes? Has it ended now? Have we made any progress? Have they reached safely? Have you taken breakfast? Have you drunk water? Have you brushed your teeth? Have you changed your dress? Have you locked the door? Has he lost his bag? Has she found the key? Has it become easy? Have we understood everything? Have they learned the lesson? Have you followed my advice? Have you improved your confidence? Have you achieved your goal? Have you tried again? Have you solved the question? Has he made a promise? Has she told the answer? Has it helped you? Have we done our duty? Have they supported you?